Not a fan of bland health tips but still want real results? Try cinnamon. It's tasty and powerful. Let's dig in. Cinnamon isn't just a delicious spice, it's a health superstar hiding in your kitchen. Packed with antioxidants, cinnamon helps your body fight off free radicals, which can slow down aging and boost your immune system. Got a sweet tooth? Cinnamon can help manage blood sugar levels, making it great if you're watching your glucose or trying to avoid energy crashes. Just sprinkle a little in your morning oatmeal or smoothie and you're good to go. But wait, there's more. Cinnamon has anti-inflammatory properties, which means it can help reduce swelling and pain, especially after a tough workout. Some studies even suggest it could support heart health by lowering bad cholesterol. And if you're all about gut health, cinnamon might be your new best friend. It can help your body fight certain bacteria and keep your digestive system running smoothly. Just remember, a little goes a long way. Too much cinnamon, especially cassia cinnamon, can be harmful. Stick to around half a teaspoon a day unless your doctor says otherwise. So, next time you're looking to add flavor and health benefits to your day, reach for cinnamon. Don't forget, like, subscribe and share for more quick health tips. See you in the next video.